Hey everyone, it's Megan with craftymusiclovr here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the first full week of February 6th through the 12th in my social media planner using the movie date kit by PlanningwithADesigns. It comes with 2 sets of full boxes and then 2 sheets for deco, and I'm obsessed with this kit. It is so beautiful. You guys know that I was on a PR for PlanningwithADesigns, and it is now over. Big sad, but that's okay because I still love her kits and it's beautiful. I also have a few pieces of washi, mainly going to be using this film strip washi from my stash that I'm going to be including in the spread. Before we get into the spread, I just wanted to clarify something. You guys are probably wondering why my username changed, and I explained this in my catch-all video that I'll be uploading on Monday, but I'm going to explain it again here in case you missed that one. So basically, I wanted to represent what I post a little bit more. I wanted it to be easier for you guys to understand what my content is and what I share. So most of it has been planning recently, and I really wanted to change my username pretty much since I started YouTube, but I finally decided to just go with it, and I am very excited about it. So that's all I'm going to go into. Here is the cover, by the way, is from PlanningwithADesigns as well. This is what the front cover technically looks like, but I chose to do the other side because it is just beautiful. So if you guys saw my February social media planning video, I will leave it in the description box below. And if you remember, I could not figure out what to do with this, and now this is my planning for spreads for the week, my social media. So we're going to go ahead and jump into this week. Okay, so first order of business. I think what I'm going to do, even though I love this design and I feel like I'm probably going to be doing this every single week and I feel bad, I'm going to cover it up. I feel horrible about it, but I'm going to do it because I really love the film strip washi, and I think it would go perfect down the center of the spine. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. All right, now that that's done, we are going to start putting the spread together. And if you guys weren't aware, I don't remember if I ever mentioned this, but these inserts, which originally look like this, these are from Boss Chic Planners, and I was on a PR for her as well, so that's where all of this came from. So what we're going to do, I'm going to put the deco to the side. I think I might set this up a little bit like I did last week. If you guys saw the roses spread that I did with PlanningwithADesigns roses kit, I did this full box here down the middle, and I really liked that. So I think I'm going to do this again and just continue on. So I'm gonna go here. I did not finish whiting that out. There we go. Okay. And what I did with this week, with the last week's spread, was this was for all of my Instagram pods. So that's what that was for. Now it's time to do the filming and editing list. And there is a lot of traffic going on right now. I don't know if you guys can hear that. I really hope you can't, but it is loud. So I'm so sorry if you hear like horns just blaring. So we're going to do the filming and editing list up here. So I'm going to put, I think I am going to go ahead and do it across the top because I really want to give myself plenty, oh goodness, I done messed it up, plenty of room for writing this week. I know there's a lot that I've got going on next week, so I want to get a good batch of content done for this week. So if you guys saw yesterday's video, I finally posted the cruise vlog number 3. I will leave it in the cards and in the description box if you haven't seen it. That was from September of 2022. I know. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm just really, really bad at editing, and it made me sad because I want to go back. I really, 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 really love cruising, so I took my dear sweet time apparently doing the cruise vlog editing. So I'm so sorry about that, but I did upload it, so that's good. Okay, and then I think what we're gonna do up here, I am going to put a quote up here, I think. So let's see. How about now I've only ever seen Dirty Dancing and The Incredibles. I have never seen The Notebook, How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days, and 10 Things I Hate About You. Never seen those, so I don't know if these quotes are going to work out well, but I'm assuming that these are all romantic. So I'm gonna pull the "To Me You Are Perfect," this little romantic movie night deco piece, and we are going to do some cutesy little thing there. And then I'm gonna grab the pink box. I'm gonna put it right under here, and this quote I'm gonna have to layer on the top part of the box. Actually, you know what we're gonna do? Don't want to rip the page, so please let go. There we go. Okay, I want the pink box to go all the way in the corner here. Just like that. Beautiful. I don't know if I want to put a box here or not. I'm thinking I probably do though. So we're gonna put one here just in case something pops up through the week and I need to write something down. Got it there. But we're going to put this little, ooh, should I do, we'll do the film strip, because why not? That would be perfect for the whole theme. And then let's do, I'm thinking of doing this film strip piece because it goes this way. I mean, you could put it this way, but I'm gonna go this way and put it across the bottom because I think this is so cute. I love that. That's adorable. Alrighty, now for this one, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take here and I'm gonna go ahead and continue the rest of this. Oh, you know what? I should probably cut this because that's not how film strips work. So I'm gonna cut right there so that it can continue over. And then we are going to cut right before. Look at that, that's awesome. Okay, and then we're gonna take this piece and we're just gonna continue it over here. But I want to make sure that I don't go over too much. All the way to the very top. And unfortunately, it covers Monday a little bit, but we know that's Monday. I'm not concerned. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, now it's time for adding all of the bits and pieces. So we have $2 Tuesday and new releases on $2 Tuesday. Obviously is Tuesday. Okay, and the new releases are on Fridays. Okay, those boxes are so crooked. Well, they're gonna stay crooked because I don't want to rip it. I feel like there's something important. Tuesday the 7th, something is happening, and I almost forgot about it. Tuesday the 7th is we're just gonna put it here. Tuesday the 7th is when I do my giveaway. So if you guys are wanting to join my giveaway, make sure to tune in on the 7th, because that is when it's going to go live. Let's put some more quotes on here. I really, really love "You Are My Greatest Adventure." This is the quote I chose during my PR, because each of the PR girls got to choose a quote, and this is the one I chose, and I think it's perfect. Now we're going to add some deco, because why not? I usually always put a big box on Saturday. I don't know why, but that's what I always do, and I think it's just hilarious. Actually, we're gonna do, no, we'll do this one. Why not? All right, there we go. More quotes. I think we are gonna put some more on this side too. We're gonna do "All is fair in love and war," and I do know this quote. I did not know it was from this movie, but I do know what this quote is, and that is just, I think that's fun. If you guys know any, like, because I'm not a huge romantic person, so if you guys know any cutesy romantic movies that you think would be really fun for me to watch, I'm into a movie binge, and I really want to watch some stuff, so let me know. Let me know if you guys have any cutesy romantic movies, because I'm more of a Marvel, Harry Potter, Disney, Lord of the Rings kind of person, if that gives you an idea of how I am. I love action movies, and not like really gross action movies, but cool action movies. Didn't want to put too many quotes on this page because I felt like that would be just way too much. So now we're going to do one more set of this gorgeous deco, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm trying to distract from the horribleness that is this crooked sticker. So I usually never post on Sundays anyway. This is my Simply Sweetly Crafty where I post, so I usually never do on Sundays anyway, so I don't think it's going to be a big deal if I cover it up. So I want the popcorn and soda to go together, so I think we're going to do a little stacking here. Well, that's crooked. Okay, it's a little crooked still, but it'll be fine. All right. There we go. I need more film strips. It needs to have just a little bit more pizzazz to it, so we're gonna do a little film strip magic here. Because I really don't need all of this space for my posts and stuff, so I can be a little decorative with this. everyone, that is it for this week's Plan With Me and my social media spread. I am obsessed with this. I am so excited to use this spread this week. I'm excited to, I just love it. I think it's so cute and it's the perfect like non-Valentine's Day spread. I hope that makes sense, but I am obsessed. I love it. If you guys want to get your own kit from Planning with Designs, you can. I am not on a PR for her anymore, sadly, but I will be still receiving my February PR package soon. So if you guys, it's not going to be like a full package like I usually get. It'll be kind of like a little mini one. So if you guys want to see that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you want to get your own kit just like this, check out her Etsy. If she has a sale during the time of me posting, I will leave that information in the description box. Always check out her website. She might still have a sale. You never know. I love this kit. I think it's super awesome and I really hope you guys enjoy it too. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Like I said, subscribe so you don't miss when I do my giveaway, which will be on Tuesday the 7th. And subscribe so you don't miss the new items coming to her shop if she sends them to me, or just the PR package in general. I will also be doing a couple of new release items from my different PRs that I'm on, Growing Modestly and Redhead Stickers, all that fun stuff. If you guys miss any of that, check out my Instagram too, because I share a lot on my Instagram. I usually post 2 to 3 times a day or more. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some inspiration. And until next time, craft on. Bye guys!